Now, let me ask you a question if you don't mind.
Well, you can't ask me a question now because the YouTube video is already started.
Gotcha.
So we have to wait for the judge to start the trial.
Good deal.
So you can send me a private chat in the chat box.
I sure will.
Okay.
Good morning. This is cause number 2020-25207 in the interest of Micah, Noah, and Kamora Rhodes. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Sir? Okay. Ma'am, please you put your hand down. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Brittany White Rhodes, and my relationship is their mother. I'm the mother.
Okay. Sir, your name and your relationship to the children?
My appellation is Honcho Bay. I do not have a name. I am the representative for the name Bobby Rhodes.
Okay. You're Bobby Ray Rhodes, father of the children. And for the state?
Toya Armstrong, representing the Office of the Attorney General.
All right. What are we doing today, Miss Armstrong?
We have a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. The parties are currently married but living separately. And so we filed a petition to set child support and medical support and conservatorship and visitation in this matter.
Oh, okay.
My Honor, has the court taken judicial notice of his oath of office, anti-bribery statement, or foreign agent registration statement?
Excuse me, sir. You want to mute yourself for a minute?
Ms. White, please put your video back on. We're still in trial.
All right, so we're having a hearing now and you have no stipulations, is that correct?
The only stipulation we do have, Your Honor, is that all three children live primarily with mom.
Okay.
It's the only stipulation.
All right, let's proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. To call my first witness, that would be Brittany. Miss White, are you Brittany White?
Yes, I am.
And you're the mother of the three children on this case?
I am.
And who is the father of those three children?
Bobby Ray Rhodes Jr.
And it's Bobby Ray Rhodes Jr. Is Bobby Ray Rhodes Jr. present today in the court?
He is.
Can you describe for the court what he is wearing?
He's wearing a gray shirt.
And that is him, the fourth person here on the screen with us. today. Is that correct? Is that him?
That is correct. Yes.
And y'all are currently married, is that right?
We are.
And when did y'all stop living together in the same household?
We stopped living together in November of 2019.
Okay. And since November of 2019, has Mr. Rhodes given you any money for the child support for the 3 kids?
Here and there, $60, $40,
Okay. So if you had
$100.
it, okay, if you had to add it, can you add it up together real quickly for me and give me a total?
Sure. Could you hold for one moment?
Sure.
Okay.
So is it Miss White's all those noises coming in? Are you hearing a lot of noises, Miss Armstrong?
I did hear dog barking at one point. I don't hear anything now.
Okay.
Miss White, if you can come back, I can help you add it together during the trial, since we're in the middle of a trial. Miss White, go ahead and put your video back on.
Okay, there we go. Sorry about that.
Were you able to give me a total if I can help you add it of the money he's paid since?
He paid me like $65 twice, like $100,
Okay.
$40. I have to look at my Cash App. It's in small increments.
Okay, 65 times 2 plus $100. What else?
Like $45. He
Okay,
said
Okay. What else?
$10 for the kids.
$10. Okay. That's a total of $285 so far. Does that sound about right?
Yeah, you can add about 100 more to that.
Add 100 more, so it'd be a total of
Yeah.
$385 that he's
Yeah.
giving you? Okay. All right, no problem. Now, do you have the children covered with health insurance and dental insurance?
Yes, they're through Medicaid at the moment.
Okay. And do you have affordable private health insurance available?
Affordable?
Yes.
I wouldn't say it's affordable, but
Okay. So not affordable. If the answer is no, just say no. No problem. Not a problem. Okay. And then what kind of visitation have you and Mr. Rhodes been doing with the children since y'all been separated?
Just last month he moved back to Houston. And so I've kind of given him like leeway. He gets the kids usually on the weekends. He gets them like every weekend if he can. And throughout the week if he wants them as well.
Okay, so are you okay if I ask the court to set a standard possession order, which Dad has every Thursday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., every other weekend, 30 days in the summer, y'all set holidays, the normal visitation? Are you okay with that type of visitation? Okay. And are you and Dad think y'all can make joint decisions about the children?
No.
Okay. So who has made the day-to-day decisions concerning the children? You or Dad?
Me.
Who makes all the medical decisions concerning the children? You or Dad?
Me.
Okay. All right. All right. I'm going to recommend to the court to make y'all joint managed conservators, but you have to consult with Dad, but then you can still make the final decision on some emergency situation. Would that be okay?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, you just have to co-parent with him. Okay, all right. And if Harris County decides to make one of you pay for court costs, should it be you paying for court costs or Mr. Rhodes?
Oh, it would be most definitely Mr. Rhodes.
Mr. Rhodes, okay. All right. Now, I was able to calculate back child support for 3 children for the last 13 months that y'all were not living in the same household. That amount came to $443, but I'm going to subtract the $385 you said that he gave you. That comes to $4,048 in back child support. Are you okay if I ask the judge are you okay with this judgment amount in your favor?
How much would the payments be going forward if I didn't ask for
Well,
that?
answer my question first. Are you okay with this judgment of $4,048 against Mr. Rhodes?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And then are you okay with him paying $40 a month towards that judgment?
Sure, yes.
Okay. And are you okay with this order beginning December 1st of this year?
Yes.
Now, are you aware if Mr. Rhodes is currently employed?
Yes, he is.
Where does he work?
He owns a business.
What kind of business does he own?
You know, the pilot car business where like they have the big oversized loads. He owns a business for the cars that are in front of them and the back of them with the lights and everything. He owns the pilot car business.
Okay, all right. And do you know how long he's owned this business?
He's owned this business for about 4 years now.
Okay, so y'all were married and living together at the time he began this business. Is that correct?
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. So do you know how much money he brings in on average each month
ma'am.
through this business?
Mhm.
And can you tell me what that amount is?
It can range to about $4,000 to $6,000 a month. And that's within the summer, spring, and fall. In the winter time, it's normally really slow for him.
Okay, so if we take the low end, 4,000 a month, that may be a good average, including
Yeah.
those slow months?
Yeah.
Okay, instead of taking that higher amount, right, okay. So are you asking me to calculate child support based on his income of $4,000 a month? Ms. White, that was a question for you. That's his income.
I'm sorry. Can we bring it down to about 3,000? Because on the low months, he does have like, you know, really slow months.
Okay, all right, so you think, and you have this from personal knowledge, because you lived with him during the time he had this business, and based on your personal knowledge, the average is about 3,000 a month. Is that your testimony?
1,000 a month, that's average, but during the slow months, it's just really, really slow for him.
Okay, so we can do a mid-range about 3,500 to be fair?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sounds good. All right. All right. So I'm gonna recalculate, so based on that, I'll recalculate what child support and everything and health insurance would be, okay? All right, based on the new information, ma'am, are you wanting me to recalculate your back child support based on his income he's had for the last 13 months that y'all have been separated? Okay.
Yes.
I'll recalculate that new amount. I pass this witness, Your Honor, and I'll do those calculations.
Okay, Mr. Rhodes, do you have any questions for Ms. White?
Again, I stated my appellation is Honcho Bay. Bobby Ray Rhodes is a fictitious name.
Okay, sir, do you have any questions for Ms. White?
No, only a question for you. Has the court taken
No,
judicial notice of
I
his
don't
oath
answer.
of
I don't
office?
answer questions, sir. I'm not a witness. Okay.
I do not understand.
Call your next. Or
All right, thank you.
well, wait a minute. You're still calculating, right?
I'm still calculating. I can call him if you like, and then just give the court my calculations after.
All right, fine.
Okay. I'd like to call my next witness, Bobby Rhodes. Is Bobby Rhodes here?
I'm the authorized representative for Bobby Rhodes.
Are you able to speak and enter negotiations for Mr. Bobby Rhodes?
I am able to speak on behalf of Bobby Rhodes. However, I am not Bobby Rhodes. Bobby Rhodes is a fictitious name.
Okay, objection non-responsive. My question was, are you able to?
Yes, he said he was. Yes,
No.
he said he was able to
No,
do it.
no,
Okay.
In that
I
case, Your
am
Honor,
not.
in that case, Your Honor, since Bobby Rhodes is not present, I'd like to move forward on a default against Mr. Bobby Rhodes, because he has been properly served and noticed of today's hearing.
I do not consent to the jurisdiction that the prosecution has chosen. I invoke the common law and do not consent to the contract outside of that jurisdiction.
Okay, thank you. But Miss White has identified him as Bobby Rhodes.
She has.
All right. So
I need to know if I'll move on with questioning then, Your Honor.
all right.
Is Mr. Bobby Rhodes employed? I'm asking his
No.
representative. Is Mr. Bobby Rhodes employed?
I've stated before, I do not consent to the jurisdiction that the prosecution has chosen. I invoke the common law and do not consent to the contract outside of that
I
jurisdiction.
pass this witness, Your Honor. I have no questions.
Ms. White, do you have any questions of him?
Why aren't nothing? Just,
Has the court
I mean,
taken
you would be
judicial
better
notice
by just talking
oath
to.
of office, anti-bribery statement, or foreign agent registration statement?
I don't have anything else to say.
You don't have any questions for him, is that
I do
correct?
not.
All right. Now, Mr. Sir, whatever your name is,
Hato A
anything?
is my appellation, sir.
Okay, Mr. Appalachian, you have any, anything, any witnesses that you want to present?
Agent registration statement, please.
I guess you don't. Okay, so we have a final argument.
Yes, Your Honor. The Attorney General was able to calculate child support based on $3,500 monthly gross, which Ms. White, as his wife, has personal knowledge of that income.
Did you
So I
say,
did,
okay, did she say 3,500, ma'am, or did you say 2,500?
3,500.
Okay, go ahead.
yes, Your Honor. I calculated medical support for 3 children will be $315 per month for a mom to stay on the government assistance. So it'd be $350. The state is requesting $315 per month for medical to begin December 1st, 2020. The state has also calculated guideline child support at 30% for 3 children at $791 per month. The step down would then be $659, and then it would step down again to $528. The state is also requesting retroactive child support based on Ms. White's testimony that they've been not living together as a family unit since November 1st of 2019, which the state calculated as 13 months, which came to retroactive child support based on his income of $10,283. I did subtract from that the 300, actually rounded up to $400 per month. I mean, $400 total that he's paid Ms. White, which came to $9,883 remaining. I asked the court to assess retroactive child support in the amount of $9,883 as of today's date, November 23rd, 2020, and to set a payout at $100 per month to begin December 1st, and then payments to step up according to child support going down as the child emancipates.
How much a month?
$100 per month towards the initial retroactive payment.
No, okay.
And then I'll do step ups based on the emancipation of each child. And court costs, the state is asking court costs to be as billed to Mr. Bobby Rhodes, due on or before February 1st, 2021. I'm asking the court to set joint conservatorship for the parents, with mom as the primary, with the geographic restriction to Harris and contiguous counties, and for dad to have a standard possession order. And I believe that concludes the state's recommendation, Your Honor.
All right, court finds the following orders in the best interest of the children. The mother and father appointed joint managing conservators, fathers to have standard possession order, fathers to pay child support in the amount of $791 a month, and cash medical support in the amount of $315 a month beginning December 1st, 2020. Retroactive child support judgment awarded in the amount of $9,883 to be paid at the rate of $100 a month beginning December 1st, 2020, and fathers to pay court costs as billed. Anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor. I will submit an order.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
do not understand.
Thank you. If you can remain on for a second, I can explain everything to both of you once the court coordinator takes us off the YouTube. So if you just sit tight, wait for the judge to leave, and I'll explain everything, okay?
Excuse me, Judge, where's the proof of foreign agent registration statement? My Honor.
He's not available, Mr. Rhodes. The trial has concluded. We're just waiting for the court coordinator to come back, okay?
Are you all getting off of this?
I did not consent to this jurisdiction.
Yes, go ahead and call back into the other Zoom, and I can explain to you what's going on over there, because there's another trial waiting, okay? So go ahead and leave and go into the other one. I can explain it to you, okay? The Zoom number before, understand? I'll meet you over there. Thank you.
Remove. There's a remove. Down here, remove. Yes. Ms. Perard. Oh, there we are. You're muted. Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Do we have any parties?
We do. I believe she should be on her way. This is just a putting on the record an appearance for service purposes. I will message over and see what the.
And what parties are here? Both mother and father?
Just the mother, Your Honor.
Okay.
The father has not been served yet.
Okay.
Natasha indicated she sent her over, so she may be in the waiting room or just hasn't connected yet.
Go ahead and
What? Can't hear you. You. Yeah. It's only two people. Well, here we go. Ma'am, can you unmute yourself, please?
Hello.
Okay. All right, this is this is clause number 2020-24313 in the case and Jeremiah Ace Hernandez and Jeremiah Scranton. Is that correct, Ms. Berard?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Mrs. Hernandez, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help
Yes,
you
sir.
God? All right, can you please state your name and your relationship to these two children?
Alexis Hernandez, and I'm the mother of both of them.
Okay, and for the state?
Andrea Perard.
And what are we doing today, Ms. Berard?
Your Honor, Ms. Hernandez has made an appearance today. She had not previously been served. We did send her a copy of the pleadings to her email address, and she has also completed an appearance form. Therefore, we just wanted to put on the court's record that Ms. Hernandez has made an appearance and is hereby served for all purposes in this legal action. And that once we get the non-custodial parent served, we would be sending her notice of the next court date.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, have you gotten the petition, a copy of the petition?
Correct.
Okay, so when is this case going to be resent to?
It is not we don't have a date, Your Honor. We're just passing it until we get Mr. Scranton served.
It's passed for service on father.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, done.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Hernandez, you're free to be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.